In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Siteground cpanel, also known as Site Tools, in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new website or managing an existing one, accessing Siteground Site Tools is a critical step. We're going to walk through this process together, making sure it's as seamless and straightforward as possible. First, open up your web browser and go to the Siteground homepage. Siteground is a popular web hosting service known for its reliability and performance, so you're in good company. Once you're on their page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with their layout, especially if it's your first time visiting. Next, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. This will take you to the next screen where you need to enter your credentials. Here, you'll input your email and password associated with your Siteground account. Make sure your login details are correct. Remember that your password is case sensitive, so double check your entry to avoid any trouble logging in. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Siteground account dashboard. This page acts as your control center for managing all things related to your hosting account. On this page, among other options, you should see a section labeled Websites. Click on the Websites tab if it's not already selected. This is where all your active domains are listed, giving you quick access to each one. Now locate the website for which you want to access the Site Tools. Directly beneath the listed domain, you'll find the Site Tools option. Click on Site Tools, and this will immediately take you to the cpanel area we've been aiming for. Site Tools in Siteground provide a comprehensive suite of functionalities that allow you to manage various features like databases, emails, and security settings, all tailored to optimize your site's performance. Once you click on Site Tools, you'll see the dashboard. This is your main hub within Site Tools. The dashboard is where you can manage all the technical elements of your website. From here you can perform tasks such as handling your website files, managing databases, setting up email accounts, and enhancing security features. Feel free to explore the array of tools available. Each is designed to help you keep your site running smoothly and efficiently. And that's it, you've successfully accessed the Siteground cpanel through Site Tools. Hopefully this guide has clarified the process and made it easy for you to reach the tools you need. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your website.